Hey guys, today we're going to try out this Spider-Man. And boom, it's okay. Then we turn it on by heel and I'm going to turn it on. You see what's going to happen. It's going to fly! Woo! You need to get the hang of it. What? You need to turn it off and then back on by... I remember these, so I'm going to start moving.
Whoa!
Oh, this was this crazy.
What the?
Oh my goodness.
Ah, you got the hang of it now, right?
Yeah.
All right. Whoa, right in the light, huh? There we go. Last time it. Oh!
This time it goes crazy.
Yeah, go back in there. Last time it hit me right in the head, I think, when we were. That was funny. Oh my goodness. Oh my. You're doing good. A lot better than that. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa. Okay, guys. Dominic got the hang of it. Did you do that? Go
Yeah.
that and
Good
then-
job. Good job. Good job. That thing's so neat.
Yeah. We used to have one of these, but
It was a smiley face, right?
yeah, it was mine and he lost it. But it was crazy.
Uh-oh. Watch it. Careful. Good
But
job.
see, this one is not crazy.
Yeah, it's not crazy. It's doing great.
If it was, then I won't be able to get the hang of it. Now I'm gonna fit. Gotta keep it
Wow.
up. I know it is. Gotta just keep it up.
It's working really good.
Yeah,
Bring it over this way a little bit.
if I can.
You can see, just like that. Good job. Good job. My goodness.
Do this.
Take your time. Take your time.
Oh, dang it. I
That's
got-
good.
Dang it. I
But
can't.
relax. It's okay.
If you can, guys, can you guys just come over here? Please.
See?
Whoa. Can you guys
Oh,
just
boy.
please come over here?
Oh boy.
That. Whoa.
Wait. Wait. Let me see if I help you. Oh! Oh!
It's on my hand. Whoa. So mostly it's
Right.
coming into my hand, because mostly it's on my hand first.
Do you want to go outside for a second or not? Oh, that's all right.
Yeah, come on. Let's do it outside.
Okay, let it come down and grab it. Grab it from the side. Yeah, good job. Come on.
And turn it off.
Yeah, turn it off. Come on. Let's get outside quick. Just for a minute. Let's give it a try. Ready? All right. All right, go ahead. Whoa.
Fellow kisses more room.
Yeah, don't let it go in the bush. Oh my goodness. Here, I'll get it. I'll get it. Here.
Okay. Outside? Maybe in the yard more.
Okay, right there. That's good.
Dang it. Whoa. Oh, I got it. Whoa.
Do you like it?
Yeah. So much fun. I'm going to get you over there. Yeah. What? I hope it didn't die.
It has a couple minutes maybe.
Yeah, it has more time.
A little bit. Good job.
Look, down the heel.
Oh, it's in the head, huh?
This has got that.
Are you okay?
Yeah, this has got like the crazy.
Are you okay?
Yeah. That's like the crazy one almost. Whoa, it's more time.
Oh, good. Wow, that's really neat. Come on, Dominic.
Hey, let the sword do it.
Oh, it might not, because maybe it's going to the battery will be low now, maybe. Maybe not.
But does it go so high to leave the room?
The battery's dying, probably. That's okay. We gotta recharge it, right? It don't take long.
Yeah.
That's so neat, though.
That's so cool.
It is.
But you should have without, guys.
Oh!
This one's just like the crazy one almost.
Here, bring it over there a little bit. A little bit. All right, good. Wow, good job. What? No! That's so funny. Careful. Don't let it go over the fence.
Oh.
Bring it over.
My man's cool.
Yeah, he is. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it with all our hearts. Please share it with your friends if you liked it.
Yeah,
You know, if you didn't, that's okay.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.